Yeah. Ooh, baby, I love you. Ooh, I know you got the same feeling too. Ooh, and I know I've been doing some bullshit that hurt you. I'm sorry. I told you to educate me, but you didn't do. You just suffocated me through, and I just know that I do love you, love you. Ooh, and I know that you do want me to. 'Cause when we be alone, you are so lovely and all over me, showing the feelings too. Boo, that's why I say that too. Ooh, I'm really fucking with you. Ooh, I know I shouldn't do it, 'cause at the same time I might not pursue what I want from you and what is best to do. I don't give a fuck about other bitches when you came through. I was all about me and you. I got invites, but I didn't want to go if I wasn't going to be with you, family or friends. Ooh, baby, I love you. Ooh.